Hi, in this video I will show you the working of the software. I write using Python and PHP. Software I write Apache server controlled Jetson nano LED. Let's get to work. Jetson nano LED. LED on and LED status 1. MySQL database LED status 1. LED off LED status 0. Database LED status 0. LED off, LED on, LED off. LED select 0 off 1 open. Off, off, open, open, off. Off, off, open, open, off. Off, 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 open. Off, on, off, on. Off, on, off, on, off. Let's status value off. Thank you for watching me. See you in the next video.